Hello and welcome to this video about upgrading AX200 software to CMAX software. You can download the document from Document Store on Axxess Identification's website, and this handy guide will show you step-by-step instructions for upgrading AX200 software to CMAX software. The steps are as follows. Go to Access Point, go to Device Manager, and here make a note of any doors or devices which are currently offline. Go into Settings, go to General Settings, and ensure that Allow Auto Download is unticked. Save at this stage. Alternatively, you can disconnect your PC server from the network if you would prefer. After this, go to DB Maintenance, Backup Settings, and click Backup Now. This will have backed up your files, and you can check the path here, and you will find the backup of files. You should copy these ones and save them either to your PC or to an external device. For the purposes of this video, I'll put them on my desktop here. You will require these later on for CMAX. Please note the size of these files as well. They can sometimes be different to previous days' backups due to the fact that extra cards have been put on the system or photo IDs, etc. After this, go to AX200 and locate the system file, system.mdw. Copy this file and also save this file again, either onto the PC or external device. Again, I'll save it here. You will require this later on. Just to advise that this information is actually in the PDF, so please be aware of that there. At this stage, you can close down the software. Once the software is closed, add or remove AX200 and uninstall this piece of software. Click on uninstall, uninstall again, and this will remove the. Once the software is removed, locate Windows Updates on your PC and ensure that you have the latest updates for Windows. Complete this task before the next step, which is to restart your PC once this is completed. Now restart your PC. Once you've restarted your PC, you will need to install the latest CMAX software. You can download this from our website, from the Resources Center section. Software Center, and download CMAX. This will download as a zipped folder, which you will need to extract to a separate folder. Install from here. For the purpose of this video, we already have CMAX installed. Go into Program Files, go into CMAX, and take the system file and copy over the one that is already in CMAX. So this is bringing over your AX200 operator data into the system. Start up your software, and you'll be first brought to this license screen. Now at this stage you will need to determine whether you're going to use the limited version, trial version or activate. Limited version is CMAX Lite, and trial version, both the limited version and trial version can be used without an activation key, whereas activate you will have had to have received an email from us. So for CMAX Lite, this has free telephone support and upgrades for the first 3 months. After this, you will be required to purchase support and maintenance on an annual basis. Trial version you can also use for up to 30 days, and this again you can activate during those 30 days if you decide to go ahead with an activation key for it. But as stated, both of these can be used without an activation key. If you do have an activation key, click on Activate, copy the key from the email, and paste it in. Key activated successfully. Start up the software. And at this stage, go to File, go to Database Backup Settings and click Backup Now. If you follow the backup path here, you can now bring these files that you previously backed up and put them into this folder. Go to Database Restore and click the appropriate database. Here, go into System Management, go to General Settings and ensure that Allow Auto Download has been ticked. Check to make sure that the database has come over correctly. And ensure that you have your network cable in. We need to let the downloads complete here, but as stated, check that the database is correct. Make sure you've connected up the network cable. Check that the doors are coming online here. And look to see if the downloads have completed. Once downloads have completed, take a valid card that should be on the system here. And with that one, you'll need to present it to a reader and just to test the system to see whether it's working or not. Access granted. You've now completed all the steps. Thank you for watching this video.